In this video, I'll show you how to add a drop shadow to an element in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I'll navigate to the search bar and select the logo category to find a template. I'm scrolling through the available logo designs to find one that works for this tutorial. There are many options here, but I'll continue scrolling until I find a specific illustration. I found this brown illustration for a bookstore logo, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the editor loads, I'll click directly on the book character illustration to select it. With the element selected, I'll click on the Edit button in the top menu. This opens the Effects panel on the left, where I'll scroll down to find the Shadows section. I'll click on the Drop Shadow option to apply it. Now I can fine-tune the look by adjusting the settings. I'll start by increasing the blur amount to soften the edges. Next, I'll adjust the angle to change where the light is coming from, and increase the distance to make the shadow more prominent. I'll also click on the color picker to ensure the shadow is set to a deep black. Finally, I'll slide the intensity up to make the shadow darker and more defined. After clicking away, you can see the finished drop shadow effect on the logo. And that's it.